If you are searching for ways to improve your own desktop setup, you just require PC accessories. Also, if you're a passionate gamer, you must be looking for the best PC gaming accessories. The best accessories will complement your gaming setup while not being a huge burden on your wallet. Moreover, they will permit you to be more productive and can also support you get on top of the leaderboards. So, let's check out the 5 best PC accessories which needed your attention.
Hello there, we are the DELTAHUB Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The EKSA EM600 RGB gaming mouse ensures 100% accuracy to help gamers perform better for an affordable price. One of the best things about this mouse is its great design and lightweight structure. The sleek design creates it simple for you to adjust your hand position, making it the best ergonomic gaming mouse for your PC. Featuring an integrated sniper button for accuracy that delivers the ability to switch from low DPI to sniper precision targeting, it provides users an advantage in games and permits clean headshots. It is built with high-quality materials to ensure superior durability, and using the Precision Power 3327 professional gaming optical sensor with a TDC dustproof gold microswitch. It arrives with an advanced, powerful 12,000 DPI optical sensor that delivers you complete accuracy. You can also get the ability to go from 500 to 6000 DPI with a click to use your mouse precisely. It makes shooting your enemies in different shooting games like MOBA, FPS, etc. much easier. This mouse has been tested for 20 million clicks and remains very active. Plus, you can enjoy 12 various lighting modes that you pick depending on your personality. Also, it arrives with 9 programmable buttons that deliver a wide selection of shortcuts and access to secondary functions for more control. So, you can try out this awesome mouse and enjoy a whole new level of gaming. The ATengeus 3-in-1 ear duster is a powerful electric ear duster that should be your go-to if you have expensive PC hardware that you want to keep clean. It's a multi-function ear duster, the ideal cleaning assistant for households. The 3-in-1 function can work as an ear duster or a vacuum cleaner or a mobile power, and you can simply switch between the ear duster and vacuum cleaner by rotating the fuselage. This package arrives with 1 duster, 3 nozzles, and Type-C 1 cable. This duster has a built-in high-capacity battery, and the removable battery can charge your electronic devices anytime, anywhere. This electric duster has 2 modes of blower and vacuum. The maximum motor rotation speed is 77,000 RPM, and the max suction can reach 11,000 PA for deep cleaning of the microscopic dust. Plus, the blower and vacuum speed can be adjusted at 2 levels. This takes 9 hours to complete the charge and can be used for 30 minutes under high-speed operation. Additionally, this has a power indicator and display the remaining power. So if you like to keep a meticulous workspace, then this is an eco-friendly way to clean your keyboard and PC daily. A surge protector is a must-have for any kind of PC, be it a laptop or a desktop. And the Addtam surge protector guards your PC against a sudden jolt of electricity that could fry precious components, featuring a nice variety of ports and outlets that are sure to exceed the requirements of many. This surge protector is a versatile option. Taking a look at its versatility, you'll find a total of 5 AC outlets along with 4 USB ports, where one of which is a USB-C port for connecting modern mobile devices. It certainly delivers great performance numbers, including a charging speed of up to 2.4 amps. You even got a pretty high maximum surge protection rating of up to 1800 joules with it, which is suitable for proper protection. This surge protector even includes a 3 amp max USB-C port to fast charge your smartphone with enough juice left to charge another device by USB. Plus, this power strip has overload protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overheating protection. In addition, this has built-in LED lighting to indicate when your devices are protected and cables properly grounded. Finally, the Addtam protector is your first line of defense if bad weather takes out the electricity from your home or if there's an unplanned surge or spike. The DELTAHUB Carpio 2 is an ergonomic accessory that boosts your productivity while reducing the risk of developing strain injuries. And if you suffer from sore wrists while using the computer, this Carpio 2 is an ideal solution for long hours behind the computer. You can choose between a left and right-handed version of this Carpio 2, which means you could realistically use 2 as a keyboard wrist rest. Plus, this permits every user to work comfortably using a keyboard and mousepad at the same time. Another of the things you'll love about this Carpio 2 is its small footprint. Its sleek and purposeful design means it will blend into your tech setup, and it isn't hulking eyesore like most wrist rests. This has PDFE Teflon gliders on the bottom, which permits it to gracefully slide across almost every surface. Also, it is simple to take the Carpio 2 with you thanks to its small form factor. Moreover, this fits in your pocket and barely takes up any desk space, which is an amazing option for remote workers who visit communal office spaces but still like to look after their rests. All in all, this DELTAHUB Carpio 2 will be a must-have accessory for those who suffer from wrist pain and RSI. When you talk about PC accessories, starting with a reliable and comfortable headset is a no-brainer. The HyperX Cloud Stinger Core is one of the best options in the market today. It's pretty lightweight, and this has got sort of a cloth material on the ear cups, nice and thick, and feels pretty soft. Also, this HyperX Cloud Stinger is a comfortable headphone. Its ear cups are spacious enough for most users. The padding is also comfortable. The onboard 40mm drivers are big and bold and naturally provide explosions and gunfire and other louder sounds superbly, but it does also have the nuance to hear a lot of details as well. This connects wirelessly to your PC through the included USB receiver and also operates with PlayStation 4 and Xbox as well. Plus, the controls are pretty easy. There's only a power button and a dial that looks after your volume and your mic volume. However, this is lightweight and not too tight on the head, which is excellent if you are in a multi-hour gaming session. Overall, if you are searching for an affordable wireless headset that plays nice on all your systems, from your PS4 to your PS5 and even your PC, the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core gaming headset will be the best for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.